You can see the power is, for example, here's one string. Here's one string.
Yes.
So you will see the power is go to here, then you can see there. So each string goes here first.
Yes.
But before you connect it, you make sure you know. You will have the high voltage here.
Yes.
If, for example, it's
I know you have to use.
Yes, you will have like most like 300 volt. So it's very big help. You have to turn off this one first.
Yes.
So you see the power will go through the fuse.
Yes.
And then go to this dial. These are for protection.
These are DC.
This is a fuse. It just goes through here and then go to here.
Yes.
And then output from here. If you have 4 string, you will have 4 string power from here.
Yes.
Then you will connect.
For this case of 20 kilowatts, we are going to have 3 strings.
Yes, 3 string. You get to here.
Yes.
Then you will connect the cable here. So here is this is positive as a negative.
Yes.
So this is 16 mm. Connect here then from here.
This is 16 millimeter DC cable.
Yeah, this is DC cable.
Yes.
So you connect to here.
Yes.
And then you will connect to here. So you see we have the PV here.
Yeah, controller.
This is the solar controller.
Yes.
So this is PV positive and the negative.
Yes.
So you connect to here.
I know.
And then it goes to inside. You will output, right?
Yes.
So that's why we have the battery terminal here.
Yes.
So the battery will connect to here, and then it's also negative and positive.
Yes.
With this cable.
Yes.
And then you connect to the battery. Now we have the battery. This battery is 192. So each box you will see 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. You can see this is in series. Battery is in series. And this is a negative to here, and this is positive inside. So it goes through the BMS. We have the BMS. This is a BMS box.
Okay.
So we go through inside, and then output the power from here. So that means if you want to charging the battery, you need to go to here. It goes through here.
From controller.
So controller.
Yes.
So you will charging the battery from here.
Yes.
Also at the same time, so we charge. This part is for charging.
Yes.
So it's like charging signal.
Yes.
Then after that, we also use the battery to supply to output to supply the inverter.
Yes.
So it means you will have another things here. So this will connect to here with this one, the same point.
Yes.
And one more thing that we didn't say before is normally the battery between here, you should have the breaker.
In between here?
Yeah, you should have
a DC breaker.
Yeah, DC breaker.
Are you supplying the DC breaker?
Yes, I think so.
The DC breaker is supplied as well?
Yes.
Okay.
You will have a breaker.
Yes.
To control the power for the controller.
From the charger.
Yes, for the charger.
Yes.
So and then here you output to the inverter.
Yes.
So here we connect to inverter. So you will connect them together at the same time.
That's right.
You see here's positive, it's negative.
Yes.
Use the tools like this. See?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
But now, this cable, how I close this door?
You will have you see here?
Oh, yes.
You can go through this hole.
Yeah,
and
this
you
one
can go to there.
From the charger I can pass here.
Yes.
Then this to the inverter I can pass.
To the inverter here.
Yeah, I get it.
After that, you should cover it by something protect in case the mouse.
Yes.
The mouse get inside.
I understand. You can see it.
Yeah. You can see it. And then you will this side you can see. And
now this one is
another breaker. Yeah. Actually, normally it's not necessary for this breaker.
This one is really necessary.
It's not necessary for this one. But that one you have to.
The DC breaker.
Yes.
This one we can just
because
direct to here.
We have a breaker here.
Okay.
This is a DC breaker.
Yeah.
So you just connect the cable to the battery first.
Yes.
So now the DC part is done.
Yes.
After you connect this one, then you should connect the main cable. The power from the city, the city power.
Yes.
This is from city power.
Yes. Grid.
Yeah, the grid. Yeah. The grid power or the diesel.
Power,
the diesel generator.
The generator. Yes.
And then this is the output.
Yes.
So you should to the low.
It's a ground.
Yeah, this is ground.
Yes.
You have to connect the ground when you use it. Yes, too.
Yes.
So for the charging, here's the charging switch, and this is main switch.
Yes.
When you turn it on this one, it means you will have the main input.
Yes.
To the inverter.
Yes.
But this one, if you don't turn on, so you don't need, so you won't use the AC charger to charging the battery. This is like an AC charger switch.
Okay.
So normally I would don't suggest you use this one because it's saving your money. You just use the power to support the load when the battery is low.
But now, is this inverter intelligent? That when we don't have sun, automatically it will charge with this one.
The first thing you turn it on is battery.
Yes.
You need to turn off battery with switch like this. And then wait a few seconds. You can check the information here. And then turn on the breaker
These are automatically configured.
You can to check the information. Already everything is inside. You will see the temperature, voltage, each cells.
Yes.
So you can see the highest is this is the lowest one.
Okay.
So you can see the difference is like very small. It's like a 1 amp volt. Yes. So this is cell quality. It means that we have the 60 cells inside this battery.
They are the ones making 192 volts.
And then I will show you here. The first page, you can see this is SOC. Okay. This is a voltage. This charging is on. It means the battery is able to accept charging.
Okay.
It's able to accept the charging.
If it is off, it is not accepting the
Yeah, this is off. It's not able to accept the charging.
There is a problem.
Yeah, it's not a problem. I will explain later. And this is discharging on. It means you are able to discharging the power to the inverter.
Yes.
If this is off, it means normally when the battery is low, like the battery cell, one of them is getting like 2.8. So this should be off. And here, charging, one of the battery will get to is reaching like 3.65 volt. This will be off. It means it's fully charged sometimes. And this is like empty. It just tells you that the battery is empty. And to know how it is charging or not, just check here. If the current is 1 amp or 2 amp, 10 amp, it means it's charging. But if minus 1 amp, minus 5 amp, it means it's discharging. So you just see here. Here if minus 10, it means it's discharging.
Yes.
10 is charging.
Yes.
The current is a charging current.
Yes.
Or discharging current.
Yes.
So this is battery. So when we turn on after we turn on the baby, if the battery is almost empty, you should turn on this one first. So you need to turn on the breaker between battery and the controller.
And the controller.
And then you turn on the breaker here. After you turn on the breaker here, then you can see the voltage from the
coming from the panel.
Yeah, then you turn on this switch
as well.
Then you will charge it. You will start to charge.
The batteries, yes.
You start to charge.
Yes.
This is for charging part. So after the battery is charging, then you can turn on the breaker. Yeah, you turn on the battery breaker. Wait like 10 seconds or 5 seconds, and then turn on this one. The AC input for battery, and then the next one is AC input, and the third one is output. If you want to charge it, you can turn on this one. If you don't, you just turn it off. Because we have the AC charger inside, but the charging current is just like 7 amp or 10 amp. It's very small. Normally, this one is the default setting. Now is working with battery. Is the DC priority. After the battery is dropped to a voltage point that reset, it will automatically switch to AC if you have the AC.
To boost it, to charge them again.
You just turn it on.
Yes.
And then you will switch it inside.
Do I have to keep this breaker up? Or
Yeah, of course. If you need AC,
to charge.
AC power, positive power, then you need to turn it on.
Okay.
Because when the battery is low, you will use the AC is the battery to supply.
What is the minimum voltage you are setting here on the batteries?
Minimum, I would say like 170. This is a technical voltage 162, but it's not able to reach this one.
So when it gets here, they go off.
Yes, this one will go off. Like this is this state here is charging off. But sometimes maybe it gets to the 170, you will stop to check discharge. The cells voltage will have a difference. This number is calculated on
if I can ask you, are they not discharging at the same time?
Sorry?
They are series, right?
Yes.
Are they discharging at the same time?
Yes, discharging
at the same time?
Yes.
And this where is the difference coming from? The one you're talking about.
Each battery cell, we have 60 pieces inside.
According to the equipment,
yes.
What would be the maximum equipment you can put on this one? Because now I want, let's say you are explaining to a person who is not technical. You can tell that person that this 10 kilowatt can use your fridge, your cooker,
the AC, the fan,
you can put the fridge, you can put the gas cooker. You can
but the point is, even you can use the AC, right?
Yes.
You can connect the AC, but depends. You know, the AC will have the like 1.5 HP, 3.5 HP, even 5 HP, different power consumption.
Yes.
So you it depends on the power consumption of the equipment. You can connect the AC. If the AC is 3-phase like 5 HP, you will have like the 3.5 kilowatt for this AC. But 3 times is like 12 or 20. It's overload for this one already.
So above this.
So it depends. And also, this is 3-phase. right? This is three phase.
Yeah, this is.
But the AC maybe is only single phase.
But you can.
So three phase means each phase we only can connect 3 kilowatt.
3 kilowatt.
3.3.
Okay, 3.3 for each phase.
Yes.
But you can split that.
Yeah, it's split
in the house.
I want now to ask.
Do we have this break as well? Because this breaker is between now the battery and the inverter. You supply this as well? Two DC breakers in between for 10 kilowatt and for 20 kilowatt. That is very good. It is a very simple setting. Only that I thought there are some parameters to set.
No.
But now if everything is set,